Uh-oh, we have a bug.
Which bug is it? Figure this out now.
Oh, now we know thanks to MaryU Nutrasciences.
Yes, but is this bug a kissing cousin of the bug we found last month?
Is this bug a close relative of the one we found last month? Oh, now I know thanks to MaryU Nutrasciences.
Great. Now you can focus on other priorities thanks to the great service from MaryU Nutrasciences Micro ID team. The ID service provides a genus species name, while the typing service determines the degree of relatedness between two organisms. Bob uses the information to determine potential root causes and corrective actions. Could your operations benefit from rapid and cost-effective micro-identification and typing services? Contact MaryU Nutrasciences today to get started.